career journey. I'm here to tell you how it all started. And to this very point, I wanted to and I aspire to be an architect. Wrote jam and jam jammed me. I wrote the second time, not really jammed me, but I did not reach the cutoff mark for architecture. I wrote the second time, still did not reach the cutoff mark for architecture, and I was tired of staying at home. So I told my dad, sign me up. Sign me up for the next course, please. With the jam combination, please. I can't stay at home anymore. I need to go to school. And he did that. We saw the closest course to my jam combination, and it was surveying and geoinformatics. I did not love survey. My fate was still and hopes were still in architecture. I was hoping maybe sometime in life I'll still do architecture. I fell in love with surveying 400 level during my IT. Even my project, I wanted it to be something that will have to do with technology. So we did geospatial analysis for telecommunication masts. That's where my school was in Mina, Niger State. And it was interesting. It was an A, by the way. So it was very interesting. After service, my eyes opened. No job, nothing, COVID-19. It was a lot. I started going to site. I was chain man, you can name it. But I did the work. So many good surveyors out there that lend me a hand, lend me their brain. They were teaching me at every point in time. After service, actually opened my eyes more to what survey really was about. And after all that point, I got a job with a construction company after like 2 years or so. The company actually opened my eyes more to engineering survey. I fell in love more with it, with the software and everything that was done there. I learned a lot. I did not really work on sites there. I was mostly in the office, working, processing the data, giving to the surveyor, and I worked there for a short while. Became the chief surveyor to understand responsibility. I got to understand how to make sure we get the right data, how to ask for the right thing, how to process the data, give results, how to give data for setting out, how to calculate volume, and those are my experiences. And after that, I've been doing some topo analysis, we do some other things for some other construction company using the survey data that they gave to us. And I wanted to tell this story, this backstory for you to understand my journey and to know I'm going to analyze the data properly, make sure that there's no mistake. I give you the end result. Hit me and let's discuss. Thank you.